So when it comes to setting the high ticket deal now we can get into the phone call. Okay. So it's a 5-step framework. It's this simple, guys. I want to know why they reached out. Hey, Bobby, it's Andrew, man. How you doing today?
I'm good.
Good, man. Good. Hey, I'm just following up because I know that you reached out to know more about podcasts. I just want to know what had the interest. You're looking to get on podcasts for exposure? You're looking to monetize the podcast?
Yeah, kind of a little bit of everything. Want to grow my podcast, but also, looking to make some money
Okay.
while I do it because find it fun and, if I can not have to do anything else and people pay me just to listen to me talk, that'd be great.
Perfect. Hey, Reese, how are you, man? It's Andrew. It's with the Darren Campbell's office. How you doing?
Doing good, doing good. How are you?
Good, man. Good. I'm just calling because I know you signed up for the master class. I just want to know what had you interested in reaching out for Darren's help.
Just making money online kind of thing really caught my interest.
Okay, I love it, man. Hell yeah. Hey, Marco, how you doing, man? It's Andrew.
So good.
Awesome, man. I shouldn't have called on you behind me. My bad. Hey, Amos, how you doing, man? It's Andrew.
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, man. I'm with Min Rosales. I'm actually reaching out because you downloaded her webinar and class to actually learn how to turn your passion into profits. I just wanted to make sure you got into that. Did you have access to it?
Yeah, I got the access. I'm going through the videos right now.
Perfect, man. Hey, quick question while I put in my notes. What had you reaching out? Why the interest?
I just wanted to, monetize a bit of what I do and just start
Okay.
making money from it.
Perfect. Perfect. Hey, Sarah, how you doing today? It's Andrew. I'm with AMZ Digital.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, good, good, good. I know you actually you download the free ebook. Wanted to learn how to, get your books on Amazon and, make passive income. I just wanted to reach out, make sure you had access to that. Did you actually open it up okay?
No, I'm
What, girl? Do we need to send you a paper copy? I
yeah,
hear you. Yeah, internet. I hear you. We'll send an email. But hey, just quick, I want to put my notes here. Why'd you reach out? Why the interest?
Well, just what you were saying. I want to make passive income just to top off what I make each month.
Perfect. That's the first thing, guys. The why. Does all that make sense?
Yep.
Yes.
You see how
Yeah.
it's the same thing?
Yeah.
I'm hoping you're catching it because I'm throwing it pretty fast.